Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're joining our friend Barnaby the Bear for a very special Valentine's Day adventure. This story is perfect for practicing English, so let's listen carefully and learn together. Are you ready? Let's begin. Hello, this is Barnaby the Bear. Look, Barnaby is so happy today. Why is he happy? Because it's Valentine's Day, and he wants a Valentine. A Valentine is a special card or gift you give to someone you care about. Who will give Barnaby a Valentine? First, Barnaby's mummy gives him a pretty pink card. The card is shaped like a heart. A heart is a symbol of love. What color is the card? It's pink. That's right. Barnaby smiles and says, "Thank you, Mummy." He holds the pink card very carefully. Next, Barnaby's daddy gives him a beautiful red rose. A rose is a type of flower, and red roses are often given on Valentine's Day. Can you say red rose? Good job. The rose smells so sweet. Barnaby thinks the red rose is lovely. "Thank you, Daddy," he says with a big hug. Then Barnaby's sister gives him a surprise. It's a white box of chocolate. Chocolate. Inside the box, there are many yummy chocolates. Some are dark, some are milk chocolate. What a sweet gift. "Thank you, sister." Barnaby cheers. He loves sharing chocolate with his family. Okay, now, Barnaby has a pink card, a red rose, and a white box of chocolate. He needs a place to keep all his wonderful gifts. He puts everything into his purple backpack. What color is his backpack? It's purple. Zips it up so everything is safe inside. His backpack is full of love. With his purple backpack on, Barnaby is ready to go. He walks to the sunny school. The sun is shining, the birds are singing, and Barnaby has a huge smile on his face. He feels so loved and so happy. He skips a little as he walks down the path. When he gets to school, he can't wait to tell his friends about his morning. "Yay," says Barnaby. "I love my family. I love Valentine's Day." 2. He learned that Valentine's Day isn't just about getting gifts. It's about feeling the love from your family and friends. What a wonderful day for Barnaby. Let's review the new words we learned. We saw a pink card, a red rose, a white box of chocolate, and a purple backpack. We also talked about family, Mummy, Daddy, and sister. These are all great words to practice. Try saying them out loud. Pink, red, white, purple. Mummy, Daddy, sister.
You're doing great.
Valentine's Day is a time to show appreciation for the special people in our lives. A convey. Your family, your friends, or even your teachers. A simple thank you or a kind word can be the best Valentine of all. How do you plan to celebrate? Maybe you can make a card, just like Barnaby's mummy did. Let's read the story one more time, a little faster now. Hello, this is Barnaby the Bear. Barnaby is happy. He wants a Valentine. Barnaby's mummy gives him a pink card. Barnaby's daddy gives him a red rose. Barnaby's sister gives him a white box of chocolate. Barnaby puts everything in his purple backpack. He walks to the sunny school. "Yay," says Barnaby. "I love my family. I love Valentine's Day." 2. Here are all the colors: pink, red, white, and purple. And all the family members, Mummy, Daddy, and sister. Remembering these words helps you learn English faster. You can watch this video again to practice. Repetition is key to learning a new language. Every time you listen, you'll understand a little more. Think about Barnaby's Day. He received gifts, but the most important thing was the feeling of love from his family. That's the true spirit of Valentine's Day. It's a day filled with warmth, happiness, and kindness. We can all be like Barnaby and appreciate the love around us. Let's do a quick quiz. What did Mummy give Barnaby? A pink card. That's correct. What did Daddy give him? A red rose. Perfect. And what about his sister? A white box of chocolate. You are a superstar. And finally, where did Barnaby put all his gifts? In his purple backpack. Amazing! You remembered everything. Learning English with stories is fun, isn't it? By connecting words to pictures and a narrative, your brain can remember them much more easily. You're not just memorizing a list, you're experiencing a story. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be speaking English with confidence, just like Barnaby. What will happen next in Barnaby's day? Wait. Maybe he will share his chocolates with his friends at school. Maybe he will make Valentine's cards for his teachers. The adventures with Barnaby are just beginning. We hope you'll join us for the next one. That's all the time we have for today. We hope you enjoyed Barnaby's Valentine's Day story and learnt some new English words. Remember to be kind to everyone around you, not just on Valentine's Day, but every day. Thank you so much for watching and learning with us. If you had fun, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more stories with Barnaby the Bear. See you next time. Goodbye.